Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? Well, then take a look at this 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited X in bright white. With BI-XENON HID headlamps, premium fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot and cross-path detection, black lens tail lamps, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 27,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number PS6022.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.